Red Bulls are done on Thursday!
I need you to hold tight, please. Can you hold it tight?
No.
Hold it tight. I can sign it. You have to go.
Thank you, Sebastian. You have your jersey? Wait. Sign your jersey. Thank you very much, Sebastian.
There we go. Now I have to keep them for the next game.
Next game, good call.
Thank you.